this when we get real touchy. Let's go.
What's going on, gang? We back with another video, man. Today we're back to the Kitchen Nightmare reaction. You know what I'm saying? Before we get into all that, be sure to like, comment, subscribe, hit the notification bell after you subscribe. You know what I'm saying? So you can get my notifications. I upload all the damn time. You know what I'm saying? Be sure to follow me on Instagram at Fort Worth Baby. Gang shit. But yeah, man. Today we're reacting to the most disgusting fridges on Kitchen Nightmares, man. I already told y'all, if y'all don't know, Kitchen Nightmares used to be one of my favorite shows. I still watch Hell's Kitchen to this day, the reruns, you know what I'm saying? On Hulu. But Kitchen Nightmares, bruh, dope show. Of course, my boy Gordon Ramsay holding it down, doing his thing, you know what I'm saying? Of course, every time he goes to a restaurant, Kitchen Nightmares, the shit is filthy, it's disgusting, it's disturbing. I don't think I've yet to see a restaurant he goes to where everything's clean and tidy. I think there may have been one restaurant in all the episodes, if not, to where he was like satisfied. Or it was either is one restaurant he was satisfied with how clean the kitchen was, or he was satisfied with the food. You know he don't ever like the food wherever he goes. He shit on it. But this one is the most disgusting fridges. So of course you know this shit's gonna be bad. But without further ado, let's get it.
What is that? This is the gyro we had earlier. Take it. Yeah, go on now. What's that? This is chicken. So you've got
gyro.
Gyro, cooling down, and you've got cooked meat sat next to raw chicken. In a different tray, sir. In a different tray. And on top of covered basket of chicken. You cannot store cooked meat anywhere near raw meat. Rule number one. Just smell that.
He tells everybody that. Do not cross-contaminate raw and cooked meat.
Fucking smell it.
Yes, I smell it.
Yeah, go. What's it smell of?
Sour.
Can you tell me what that smells of? Because he's
Sour.
in denial.
That smells like shit.
That is disgusting. Have you any idea how long a jar needs to sit?
Where did you find this?
Where the fuck do you think I found this?
If it's old, we should have just thrown it out. There's no reason to keep
Have you
it.
any idea how many years that needs to be in? All
This
these
is
fucking
8
jars.
years.
All these jars and my children's life was stored at the back of the fridge. Just
This has been 8 years over there.
oh, that is disgusting.
This fool's admitting that it's been in there for 8 years. What are you doing?
That's 2 days old. It's a funny 2 days. You see that there? Blood. Blood from where?
From the meat.
Blood from the...
Oh, I remember this guy. It was basically this lady had married a dude that her dad didn't approve of. So basically, I think her dad's still the owner. Her and her husband are like general managers there. And he would shit on this dude, bruh. He would always shit on his son-in-law or whatever you want to call him. But yeah, this dude was in denial the whole time. He wanted to puff his chest up to Gordon and stuff. And it's like, sit your ass down. You dumb as fuck.
From the meat on the mozzarella sticks.
Gloria, what the fuck is that?
These are mine. I don't serve these. These are mine.
How many times a day do you go into that?
Bro, I watched this episode the other day on Hulu.
100. Disgusting. Hold that.
That's broccoli raw, left over from my brother's wedding.
They're left over from your brother's wedding.
Yeah. Come on, guys.
Have you any idea how bad a turnip needs to go before it
He
gets that
always
bad?
say that. Have you any idea how long
I,
this needs to sit here
I'm
to go
not
bad?
serving it. We're not using it.
Any idea how bad a slice of veal needs to be that colour? Just smell that.
How's that color?
It's a veal in it.
Damn!
What's that? How long is that there?
Trying to been 2 days, huh?
Oh, fuck off. 2 days.
What in the fuck is going on? The project's over.
Oh,
Who
these
rotates
dumbasses.
the freshness? That's my stuff. Really? Fuck me. Seriously?
These guys are stupido.
Why are you taking my product? They're molding you. Hold up. Okay. Want to see some more? Stay there. Chicken. Fucking hell! I mean, look at this. What's this for? When's that from then, chef?
Those are from today. Those are not going to be served to the public.
Oh, they're not going to serve the public.
I'm telling you that I'm not going to serve this.
So you're saving them for what? Talk to me then.
They're just from this morning. You bullshitting little fucker. Hey, you're the little fucker. I'm telling you, this remains today. Now, if you don't fucking believe me, that's your responsibility.
This fridge is dreadful. Wow. Chicken breast. Oh my god, just dumped in there. Not even taken out of the bag, that's how low it's come. And the whole fridge is not even chilled, it's warm. There's not a decent temperature on the floor here. What is that?
That shit comes through in the food. When your food has not been chilling properly in a fridge, that shit just tastes sour.
On the floor.
You know what I'm saying?
Next to the pork belly, you
It just tastes like trash.
It's hot inside, just festered in there. That's sat next to the pork belly, and you've got cooked chicken, raw pork. Jesus Christ. What the fuck is that? Some form of chili. Oh my god. Oh shit. This is raw pork. That's not my pork that you served to me, is it?
No, that's the old pork that they left it in.
That's the old pork.
They
Where's
served
this
you
one
that
from?
pork, Ramsey. They served you that shit.
Stuff what? Mushroom. Smell that! Smell it! That's fucking older than me! Smell it!
That's your sauce, Sarah.
What in the fuck is this? Oh my god! Is that flounder?
It's definitely old.
Definitely old. It's green. Smell that. Have you seen a kitchen like this before? This place is littered with crap. What's that there?
CO2 for the beer.
Look at those shelves. Well, that's grime. That's
twins.
Like 14 years of grime.
These fools
there.
were dirty as hell.
Jesus Christ.
Chef Ramsay. What's up? Oh, there's dust here. This is just like, it's not that bad.
What's in there, Caroline?
Vegetables.
These fools
That's
would
the
cry.
vegetables. What's this at the bottom?
That's supposed to be eggplant. Eggplant parmesan.
When were they cooked?
Last Thursday.
Last Thursday. God almighty. Look at that. Oh, feel that.
Tomato sauce.
You ever feel it?
I know we just made it today.
So what's it doing in the fucking fridge? Hold that.
I know it's hot.
Hold it. What does hot things do that are sealed that goes inside a cold fridge? The sauce goes sour.
I didn't know that.
You didn't know that. Can I suggest you spend 5 minutes sorting out your shit first before we start cooking, yeah?
These guys are stupid. Hey, I ain't gonna cap. I didn't know that for the longest, but this was when I was a kid. I didn't know that. I was doing that as a kid. Putting warm stuff in the fridge before I let it cool down.
Trash.
These niggas is grown as fuck, and they don't know that shit.
Thrown away,
I need to order wings,
Stupid.
please.
and the orders pouring in. Jim and Jeff get back to cooking
Hey, order green beans, please. Got it.
and begin to send food out of the kitchen.
Make sure they say a prayer before they start eating that.
Okay, the chicken.
But the diners are less than impressed.
Okay. They sent this back.
They didn't like it.
They said that they can't eat it.
What was this?
She said it was like a pile of
Is anyone
much.
tasting anything? Seasoning?
She
Tasting?
couldn't even look at her, give her eye
Every time we just came
contact.
back, it was like losing a customer, and it hurts. What was wrong with it?
It's too flowery.
What you think's
and
wrong
sauce.
with it?
It makes me
Y'all
feel
can't
like-
cook.
I do really
Y'all
feel like
ass.
losing right now.
See, he crying.
Okay.
This fool always cry, bro. I frustrate you.
I'm working on it.
Go outside, get some fresh air. What's the matter?
That was a failure.
You can't give up like that.
I'm trying to. It's not going right.
I need to see what I've got to work with before I can start looking at any form of change. You have to bounce back. Huh?
I'm working on it. I really am.
Jeff, you've got to. Okay, come on.
Okay.
Let's go. Fine.
Okay.
Let's go.
Okay. Chef Ramsay's right. You gotta pull yourself together and get it back in there and get through the night. How we doing?
We're doing well, sir.
Thanks to Chef Ramsay's encouragement, Jeff jumps back into dinner service and tries to help his brother Jim get the kitchen back on track.
Keep it up, Jim. You're doing a good job.
But unfortunately, he only makes matters worse.
What have you done to those?
I don't know what happened to those.
Hell no.
Frosted them in the bag?
Those look slimy.
In the bag and I...
Jeff,
Yeah.
the chicken tenders. What did you do to them to defrost them?
I put it on the steam table.
You defrosted them in the steam table from frozen.
Yeah.
Oh my god.
Not what you're supposed to do.
No. Frozen food needs to be defrosted naturally.
Right.
Give me the bag. Where's the bag? Jesus Christ. Oh, God almighty. We can't serve them. You'll fucking kill somebody. Jim, talk to me.
What am I supposed to say? It's a mistake.
It's a lethal mistake. Oh, God. What is that?
Twice baked potato. Thank fuck I missed that one twice.
Oh, fuck. So dirty. God, when was that cleaned? Oh, my God. What is that?
This is 10,000 times worse than I thought it would be. There's that
People
lava
always throwing up.
of shit and crap. Kitchen hell hazard.
My God, that stinks. That's gone off. My God, that's disgusting. Oh, that is off as well. Salmon. And look, some dirty fuckers picked all the bones out and just left them on the side. What a way to run a fridge.
There's some dirty
Stinks. So the hoarding isn't just...
It turned out the head chef was doing that.
Food.
He said some dirty fucker. The owner,
Shit.
black head chef,
Made of this.
was doing it.
Dirty.
I want to see him
This is
confront
the
him. Yes, this is
dessert
her.
style preparation. It's got blood. It's disgusting. And these?
Lamb chops.
And what's this sat in? What is that?
Water.
Yeah,
Dirty water.
This lady.
You're right. And this here? What is that?
Fudge from a mud pie.
Fudge from the mud pie. That's sat on top of a leg of lamb. That's dripping with blood. You with me?
These guys.
The place is littered with shit.
Their place is so
Everywhere you
dirty,
turn.
bro. So
And
trash.
for me, it was bad enough to see the crap in the dining room. I didn't expect that walk-in to be festering the way it is. What in the fuck are you doing?
These fools.
How old is that?
I don't know.
Ugh.
Look at the colour of the chicken.
That shit
Green
nasty
and
as hell.
stinking. Hold that. What's this?
Hell going on over here,
In
bro?
what? We're serving that. Excuse me. Look at the way we work.
These
What is
kids was
this?
running their father's restaurant
What is
into
this?
the ground.
Anybody?
Bro. No idea.
You got no idea. And this?
Straight up.
How old's this? Oh my God. You disgusting pigs. Look at that. Yeah, it's fermented. Just smell that.
Oh yeah, this is
Smell
where
that.
he just like outs them to the whole
Ladies, you
restaurant.
got it. Ladies, you can serve in that. See the mold around the side?
Oh my God.
Oh my God.
Oh my God.
Oh my
No, that's
God.
not basil.
Oh my
I wish it was
God.
fucking basil. How long does a sauce sit in the fridge to get moldy around the top?
Quite a long time.
They're dead.
Touch the wall, you dirty pig! This is disgusting!
Damn! So yeah, that was Gordon Ramsay with the most disgusting fridges on Kitchen Nightmares, man. Kitchen Nightmares is a great show. I say it all the time. You get a chance to watch it. You know what I'm saying? But yeah, Gordon Ramsay really be calling people out on these shit. You know, niggas think they just getting by. You know what I'm saying? But if the health inspector came through, they be fucked. But it's good to see someone of his stature call people out on their BS. Wish they had way more of these like modern ones. You know what I'm saying? I wish they'd bring the show back. Pretty sure it's done with. Same with I like Hotel Hell. That shit was funny. You know what I'm saying? If that's what it's called, where he went to the hotels, he called a lot of people out on their shit on that. Come to think about it, I'm gonna start reacting to some of those, the Hotel Hell ones. I haven't seen too many of them. That's a good thing. I've seen a lot of Kitchen Nightmare and I've seen a lot of Hell's Kitchen. You know what I'm saying? But Hotel Hell, I haven't seen a lot of. But yeah, be sure to like, comment, subscribe. Gordon Ramsay's the GOAT. You know what I'm saying? Follow me on Instagram. Okay, let's get it.
Bitch, when we get real tough. Let's go.